Ya thikoni ya mirongo ere na inya mweri wa kana mwaka ni wa girigire mirongo ere na inya ni giteo giakwa ati ngoro gikunyita ugeni guku kwa Muthingi TV gikunjire ni gitu kia mohoro muthenya wa mothe ngakihoka ati thiko yaku no iragithie na mbere gukorwo githi oro wega kuona ati mbura nayo no iragithie na mbere gukorwo ikiuga ituri tiganite cia bururi kuona ati na kumwe mishini tikoyaga kihoka ati we ni gukorwo ugithie na mbere kwigitira kumana na mbura ino nene ni ndayo kanigo ngomenyithie uria bururi wa gitindo kigariura ngurehere ripoti kuma county tiganite guku bururi-ini wa Kenya nginya ripoti kuma Jawai toka cia bururi tukroke nginya ripoti cia mathako ni maingi maria andiki aitu a mohoro magituhaririirie no mbere ndaye tubitamukire matemu Mumwe mamare tukuhaririire ni ate mbura nene guthie na mbere kura miene tiganite mucii munene wa Nairobi uko andu makiria ma 38 magite mioyo yao na angi gutara hathara arwaru aria mari na murimo wa anemia guthinika makiria riri madagitari mari mugomo-ini arutwo makiria ma ngiri imwe a Wings to Fly kuma Mombasa kwa Lena Taita Taveta uteithika na githomo gia kurua na uhuthiri wa dawa cia kurevya no aikaria mwena wa Shamata guku ni county ya Nyandarua uikara na haho ya gutharikirwo ni ngari na hiti iria cironekana ikiurura mathaa ma utuku macio no amwe maria tugikuhaririirie gikunjuro-ini giki gitu kwa Muthingi TV na tugagiteka muno makiria ni we gwitikira guturano ithuririkana ati gikunjuro giki gitu turakimemerekia imwe kwa imwe nenda-ini citu ciothe cia ukinyaniria wathi kuria mwena wa Facebook ugutukara kwa @Muthingi TV waikoroka kuria mwena wa YouTube ni @Muthingi TV na ni hingo ciothe njitikaga wairimu wakimani haya na tukiambiriria gikunjuro gitu muthenya wa umuthi tukwambiriria na ripoti egie miyuro ya mai mabura iria iragithie na mbere gukorwo ikiura ituri tiganite guku bururi-ini wa Kenya na makiria kuria mucii munene wa Nairobi na kuria magana ma aikari kuma mwena wa Mathare ni matigitwo matari na uikaro na andu angi 10 gukorwo matekumenyekana kuria mari thutha wa gukorwo magikuo ni mbura ino iragithie na mbere gukiura gukuma guku mucii munene wa Nairobi andu makiria ma 38 nio matete mioyo yao ni miyuro ya mai mabura guku hori biashara hamwe na aikari magikerete na kuri thirikari ya county ya Nairobi guka kumateithiriria riri maragithie na mbere guthinika ni ripoti iria iragituhingurira gikunjuro gitu kia mohoro muthenya wa umuthi.
My Lord. Na tugakihoka ati mwirore witu oro hari urikorwo ri no gukorwo ugigitira makiria na miyuro ino ya mbura ya mai angikorwo hatire andu harabatarania we gukorwo ugithie ni wega wikare kuria mucii na ri tugithie na mbere ni ati kamiti ya Senate ya ugima wa mwiri ni macerete thibitari-ini wa Kiambu level 5 amatongorete ni muikariri igite Jackson Mandogo mari na muoroto wa kuongerera kigina gia kugacirithia kuheana utungata mukinyaniru wigie thibitari ya gikiro kiu riu kamiti ino ni hete thirikari ya county ya Kiambu thiko 19 mekinye mbere ya kamiti ya Senate niguo mubango ucio ukorwo ugikinyanira niguo makihote kuhura jeki sekta ya ugima wa mwiri guku county ya Kiambu.
The Senate passed a facility improvement financing. Is now an act of parliament. We expect the revenue that is being collected in this referral hospital to go towards further improving service. I know you have asked whether this facility is operating as a true level 5. I would say it's not yet operating optimum, but there is marked progress in terms of the equipment that has already been deployed. And with that Facility Improvement Financing Act, that also builds their capacity to be able to address other challenges. Other than waiting for resources from the county, they should be able to utilize the resources that they are going to generate, because the law now allows them to spend at source. The money they collect here, they can use the money to improve the facility. Maybe county, that at least we are aware as a committee. We are investigating a number of matters that typed on patients have been handled in Nairobi and finally referred to Kiambu. There are patients from other neighboring counties that also come to this facility, and therefore they need to improve the facility and resource it with human resource.
We have interrogated, and they have said before strike there are 30 deliveries. But now, since strike, there are almost none, which is taking place there. So I'm asking myself and asking Kenyans, where are our women delivering? Are they delivering at home? That's the question.
Na aikari akore mwena wa Dafifi guku ni county kana mwena wa Naivasha ni maugite ati amwe a atongoria ao ni marahuthira maundu mao ni gukorwo magi kuria kana kwiguna ene thutha wa ngucanio iria mari nacio ya migunda to makiehera ni undu wa guoya gwa guikio ngono ni thutha wa ateti matongoretio ni umwe uria warugamaga ta mutongoria wa bururi Jimmy Wanjigi undu na Jubilee Secretary General Jeremiah Kioni makorirwo makihurwo na gasi ya guita maithori ni borithi mari icera-ini riao itura-ini riu.
Na mahali sasa imefika kiwango kwamba hakuna mtu ambaye anataka kutaja neno la Dabibi kwa uzuri. Ilikuwa sasa ni uwanja wa siasa, tukitaka kujijenga kisiasa imekuwa ni a national issue wajiri katika maeneo ya Dabibi. Lakini hivi majuzi vile kumekuwa na msukosuko hili shamba, ni bayana kwamba kuna watu walio na nia mbaya ya kutumia shamba hili kwa siasa za mwaka 2007.
Mimi naomba tu msamaha. Rais wetu atusamehe in the whole village of Gathondia ama Dabibi. Ile makosa ilitokea, tunaomba msamaha. Tafadhali, Your Excellency the President. Wewe ni baba wa watoto wengi, wa mama wengi na watoto wengi sana. Utusamehe, kuna makosa ilitokea. Sisi wote tulikosea, Your Excellency. But tunaomba uhusiano mwema. Mtu anachagulia rafiki lakini hawezi chagulia jirani. Wewe umekuwa jirani wetu, tumekuwa na mzee Benjamin Kipgrey. Sisi hatuna fujo na mtu yeyote na tunataka kuwa na amani na vijana wetu. Tafadhali kusikuwe na hiyo chuki ati vijana wetu hawezi pewa kazi hapa kwa hii kampuni kwa sababu ya majina yao ya kutoka Gathondia iko na shida.
So what we are saying, we want peace in our region. We don't want to see people running up and down because of what we actually don't understand. Those national figures that are coming in Dabibi, we know they are fighting for their own interest, and we don't want to be actually involved as Dabibi people.
Rais amekuja kama mwenyeji, huwezi mzuia. Na hakuna katiba ya Kenya imesema kwamba kwa sababu wewe ni rais ama ni MC ama ni mbunge ama ni mwananchi wa kawaida usinunue mali. Hakuna katiba, labda pengine wanataka kuweka kipengele basi waleta kwa referendum. Tuweke basi tuseme kwamba ukiwa rais usahi kununua mali. Na kwa sababu limeenda sasa, tunatamani kuishi kwa ujirani mwema na rais na investor yote ambaye anatamani kuja hapa. Hapa kuna makampuni mengi ambao wanapanda avocado, wengine ni maua. Tuna zaidi ya makampuni kubwa hapa. Zinaleta uajiri kwetu, pesa zinakuja kwetu. Lakini hili shamba likitumiwa sasa litahujumu hata investors ambao wako hapa. Wawekezaji hao wataanza kutoweka. Wengine wataanza kuwa na wasiwasi na uoga, waseme kwamba hatuwezi peleka mali yetu Dabibi. So tunaweka bayana na uwazi.
Nayo county ya Kisumu ne harĩrĩirie nĩ ũndũ wa itĩna rĩa gatatũ rĩa gũkũngũĩra mambura ma thamaki. Mambura maya maharĩrĩirio harĩ kĩonanio kuma tarĩki 25 mweri ũyũ wa kana nginyagia tarĩki 27 mweri wa April kĩharo-inĩ kĩa Jaramogi Oginga Odinga, kũrĩa mambura maya maronania nyoka ya Omieri gũkũngũĩra kwa iria rĩa Victoria o nĩ gwetha kũgacĩrithia ũgendi na ũhoro wĩgiĩ wa ũndũire gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ wa Kenya.
So, I will read it. Good morning, esteemed members of the media. I am delighted to welcome you to this media briefing ahead of the much anticipated launch of the Grand Fish Fiesta, a premier signature event that promises to be a highlight on Kisumu's tourism, cultural and economic calendar. The Grand Fish Fiesta, to be held at the sports ground in Kisumu, is a 3-day extravaganza celebrating our city's rich heritage, particularly centered around Lake Victoria, our most significant resource. As we gather here at the sports ground today, we embark on a journey of festivities, enlightenment, and community spirit over the next 3 days, starting Thursday 25th to Saturday 27th April 2024. This fiesta is not just a mere event. It is a testament to our collective commitment to environmental stewardship, cultural preservation, and economic empowerment. Throughout the fiesta, we will engage in thought-provoking plenary discussions that explore the fish value chain, tourism and economic development, and Lake Victoria, a resource, highlighting the importance of this industry in our region's economic landscape. From traditional performances to contemporary interpretations, our artists and performers will captivate your hearts and minds. And let us not forget the existing activities that await us, from the adrenaline-pumping traditional boat race to the crowning of Mr. and Miss Tourism, Mr. and Miss Flex, Mr. and Miss Strong, celebrating the beauty, talent, and resilience of our youth. The Luo Traditional Wrestling Championships will showcase the strength, skill, and spirit of sportsmanship that define us as a community. As we marvel at the exhibition of the legendary snake Omieri, let us remember the ancient tales and wisdom it embodies, connecting us to our folklore and environmental heritage. Omieri reminds us of the delicate balance between humans and nature, urging us to be mindful stewards of our surroundings.
Na areta njĩra ĩmwe ya gũkorwo gĩthomo gĩkĩrehe hamwe arutwo kuma ituri itiganĩte cia bũrũri kuma mĩena ĩtiganĩte. Gĩkundi kĩa Wings to Fly nĩ gĩtabanĩtie kĩgomano gĩa thikũ ithatũ kĩa arutwo kuma mwena wa kũrĩa gĩcũa-inĩ Tana River oro hamwe na Taita Taveta, kũrĩa makoretwo magĩthomithio maũndũ matiganĩte oro hamwe na maũndũ megiĩ gũkorwo makĩgita na ũhũthĩri wa njohi na ndawa cia kũrebia rĩrĩ maragĩthoma.
The sister, the parents, the cousins and the uncles and the aunties that are watching you.
And here today at the Mama Ngina Girls, we have 1,816 Wings to Fly scholars from Mombasa, from Taita Taveta, from Kwale, and from Twapa sub-county in Kilifi, because it's near where we are. These are congresses that we've been running to support our scholars, because we believe education is not just about availing classroom teaching and training and the resources that are required for the kids to be in school, but also to impact skills of empowerment and leadership. And hence our theme of this Congress of educate, empower, lead. And that's the triad of success. And we believe that if our scholars are able to get the education that they're getting in school, if they are empowered, they can also empower their communities. And those two ingredients then can help them succeed in their leadership journey. So this is an education and a leadership program where we are creating future leaders.
Child who is empowered will be able to withstand the storms of life, and this child will be able to make informed choices, and more so we are teaching, there's a lot of information on leadership, so that we will have children who know what they are doing. They are leaders of tomorrow, and this is the best time you can be able to empower these children. So we really want to appreciate the organizers of this Congress, the Equity Foundation, the partners, and the ministry, even for organizing this Congress, so that our children can be able to benefit.
Na ripoti ĩyo nĩyo ĩgũkorwo ĩgĩtũhe kamweke ga gũikiria ndũgathiĩ haraya nĩtũracokereria na mangĩ maingĩ. Rĩrĩa tũratũra mũtũrĩre-inĩ ũyũ nĩ tũcemanagia na maũndũ matiganĩte, mamwe magatiga ironda nene ngoro-inĩ citũ na mamwe magatuĩka rũgano rwa gũtũra rũheanagwo.
Rĩrĩa nengeria mwana wakwa iria, mwana ndarĩ na outlet, ndayambirie kũimba, mwana kĩambia kũrutĩra kĩoro kanua na maniũrũ.
Wathi kĩrabu no nginya ũrĩka ũrĩa andũ a kĩrabu mekaga, no wĩkore magerio-inĩ haraka mũno.
Konge nĩ arata matwĩkirie, konge nĩ endo aitũ, amwe makĩmenyaga arĩa angĩ matekũmenya.
Kĩrĩndĩ magucagia bangi magoka makanjoherera mũtĩ-inĩ, makahũra ngundi ta bag kama bag ya boxing.
Weka atĩa?
Sasa sijui niĩ ndioka tunohererwo harĩ na mũtĩ hau, lakini sasa at the end of the day ndũrĩ na handũ ha kũrĩra.
Na nĩkĩo niĩ Njeri wa Mwangi njĩnyitĩtie mũthiori gwethana na andũ mena rũgano rwa mwanya, tũgakorwo tũgĩikara thĩ nao magakorwo magĩtũhe marĩa manatũngana namo. Nĩ o mũthenya wa Juma thaa 2 cia hwaĩ-inĩ thĩinĩ wa tabarĩra ya rũgano rwakwa gũkũ kwa Mũthingi TV.
Asa. Ndarega asa. Karibuni na mwikare thĩ mũnjĩre nĩkĩ kĩarĩa kĩngĩ.
Pastor, mũndũ ta ũyũ okaga ũtukũ biũ na ndarĩ ũguo tene. Thikũ ici ona thimũ yake ndigĩkwĩra ndamĩhutirie rĩ, nĩ password ekĩraga.
Maũndũ ta maya nĩmo mahagũrĩte ihiko nyingĩ. Na ithuĩ Mũthingi TV tũgakũrehera tabarĩra ya mwanya itagwo kwĩregeria.
Ũngĩkona mũndũ ciana cia nyarara muthu umenye mutumia ucio no monete
no nginya wambe wamukire mundu getha thamake
o muthenya wa kiumia kuma thaa 4 cia utuku nginya thaa 5 na niĩ Njuguna wa Ngugi.
Twagicokereria kari karaguku gwa gikujuni gitu kia mohoro na rero tugithie na mbere ni ati aikari a Shamata county ya Nyandarua ro maraikara na guoya wa gutharikirwo ni ngari oro hamwe na hiti one thutha wa wiki igere hetoku ogukorwo makionera ngari hamwe na mwana wayo gukorwo ikiurura mathaini ma utuku hakuhe na micii yao riu ni macokete gukorwo magikiaritana kuri thirikari ya county hari kumateithiriria niguo makorwo makigitirwo kumana na nyamu ici.
Matokeo yale yametokea kwangu ni hiyo mnyama alikuja na akabeba hiyo buzi na akajeruhi hiyo ndama.
Ni jambo tumekuwa nao kwa muda mrefu, kwa miaka mingi, na tumekuwa hata wakati ule tunakuwa na mkutano hapa Mwangaza. Pia kuna wakati mwingine maafisa wa KDBS huwa tunawaalika, wanakuja wanaongea na wanasema bado watajaribu tu kufuata haya maneno, lakini hakuna matunda yote tumeyaona.
Sikia commotion yote huko kwa nyumba, umesikia commotion, ni chui ama fisi, usiogope kutoka nje, sawa? Mulika na upige kelele pale, huyo mnyama atatoroka akisikia sauti ya binadamu umeongea. Unaweza report kwa chief, kituo chochote cha polisi ambayo iko karibu na wewe unaweza report. Na hiyo report itanifikia mimi. Mimi nikuja kwa ground niweze kudhibitisha ni kweli huyu mwadhiriwa amepata shida kwa sababu ya hii na hii.
Nao aruto aria magĩkorwo makĩhĩtũkwo nĩ mũbango wa mbere wa basarĩ kaunti-inĩ ya Kisii marĩ na mweke wa gũkorwo magĩkũngũĩra nĩ thutha wa gavana wa kaunti ĩno nĩwe Simba Arati kũrekereria mbeca cia mũbango ũyũ kĩharo-inĩ kĩa Gusii Stadium. Simba Arati nĩaugĩte atĩ thirikari yake nĩ gũkorwo ĩkĩhũra jeki sekta ya gĩthomo gũkũ kaunti ya Kisii.
Kuwakilisha waheshimiwa wengine wote. A total of 245 million shillings in bursaries to over 60,000 students in various secondary schools and vocational training centers. This is the second bursary allocation we are dispersing since my administration revived the county bursary fund, which had previously been done away with. I regret that this disbursement is coming in a date, having personally given out application forms in February. As you are aware, the delay was occasioned by a stoppage of our county budget due to stoppage or sabotage from the same leaders who petitioned to COB. Today, we are shaming the devil by this exercise, where beneficiary students are receiving their checks just in time to start their second term in school. The county bursary fund targets students from needy backgrounds who are in various secondary schools. This year, we have factored in those in vocational training centers also benefit from the county bursary. As I promised last year, the bursary kitty has been increased from 145 million to 245 million shillings. Each electoral ward has been allocated an average of 5 million Kenya shillings. And the fund has been transparent, executed through the Honorable MCS.
Na ororere shukuru itanyetwo gukoro ikihingurwa shukuru itiganite mona wa Alodia nikoretwo ikigomana na arutwo ako na gukoro make mathomithia uhoro wegi uhuthiri wa dawa cia kurevya undu mona kwirwo magitumi mathomithanio mao ni aikari ago kukure arutwo ya mathinyiririo fata wa githomo hari miturire yao.
Sawa. Yes. Hiyo the pollution. The air pollutants. What causes air pollution? Primary school? Yes.
And we are here in Rodwa to really interact with our students, our scholars here, who are in high school. We have a class that is in Form 4 and the other one is in Form 3. Tuko na wanafunzi 398 kutoka Turkana County, na hawa ni wale wa what we call host community, sababu kuna wengine wengi zaidi kutoka kwa refugees, na hao tutakuwa nao upande wa Kakuma. Sasa hawa ni wale wametoka kwa jamii yetu hapa Turkana. Kuna wenye wanatoka kwa program kwa njia moja ama ingine, pia huwa tunaenda kuwatafuta ndio waweze kurudi kwa mipango. Tunawatafutia wenye wako karibu na wao ndio waweze kuwaongelesha ndio warudi kwa mipango. Na tunasema sio lazima kila mtu apate A ama A- kwa masomo katika jamii, lakini ile hali ya maisha, kuishi maisha mzuri, maisha ya kuwa responsible ndio tunahimiza zaidi. Ndio hata kama hatapata ile nafasi ya kwenda university, anaweza kwenda kwa TVET, na bank kupitia partners wengine tunawapeleka kwa ile mpango inaitwa TVET, ndio pia waweze kujimudu kuwa kwa ufundi, ndio waweze kuinua maisha.
It's needless to mention that I'm a refugee, but I found myself here due to different circumstances that I faced before my KCPE, but I embraced them. I overcame my adversity, and there I went to Alfred Powery here in Napetet, Longech, and I succeeded with 399 marks. That's how I found my way here, and I'm working hard to ensure I transform my society. This is instilling values in me, and it has given me the confidence to also approach others. It is actually giving me confidence that I can be a leader wherever I am, and I can make a change in our society.
Yes.
Emwe kwa emwe tukoro tukigira kuria iharo-ini citu na kuria nyabara wa timu ya bururi ya arume na ario mari thi wa miaka 20 Chief Simon Jachweri nioretie imwana ciake gukorwo makirutanira guoka na bitikaini ya timu ya bururi wa Tunisia. Timu ino ya mathiire points 64 hari 27 riria matuganire na timu ya bururi wa Korea mwena wa Namibia. Haya na mwirare witu riboti iyo ya mathako niyo igukoro igitwikira gaturumo gikunjiro gitu kia mohoro muthenya wa umuthi. Ngucokeria ngatho ni we wagitikira gutwarana ithu kumara tabirire gikunjiro giki nginyagia riu. Njokeria ngatho aria othe tugikoro tukinyitanira nao aria magitigira ati mohoro maitu ni makorwo maigukinyira na njira iria ifashiririkite. Mabrine producer wakwa mundu gwitwo wa Boy wa Jotel ni uma director wakwa Aizen wa kuma kuria mwena wa graphics na gukumuna mwena wa kamera tumana mundu ugwitwo Magi mundu uria wagitigira mohoro ma maitu magukinyira nindi cito ciothe cia ukinyanira ni mundu ugwitwo Nyaguthie ni hingo ciothe njitikaga wairimu wa Kimani nguririkania ati ona sherekia kwihanda mathaa ma hwaini nitugukorwo tugitungana oro ringi ngurehere maingi maria andiki aitu a mohoro megukorwo magituhariire no nginyagia rĩu nie ngakwendithĩria mĩaraho mĩega.